optimize your students' preparation for the exam, I would like to tell you about Pronally Writing Part 1, which has been revised and from 2020 will include an email instead of a message. In the old message task, students were required to write between 35 and 45 words. In the new task, students write about 100 words, which enables them to demonstrate the full breadth of their writing skills. How to make the most of this opportunity? First, it is extremely important to make yourself familiar with the instruction and the input material, which is an email and a set of 4 prompts presented as notes linked to appropriate parts of the input material. After reading the instruction and the input email, the candidate should be able to state the communicative context of the task, that is, who they are writing to, why they are writing, and what 4 content points need to be included in the answer. This means that all the content points are covered, ideas are communicated clearly, and students use functional language like agreeing, disagreeing, explaining, offering. Last but not least, students should check the answer to make sure that it not only includes but also develops all the content points. In your classroom, you can help your students to deal with this task by encouraging them to plan their writing. You may try asking your students to assess their colleagues' work against a set of criteria. This peer assessment technique helps to raise students' awareness of text organization and improves coherence of texts that students produce.